that time of the day where I make a lot of money and then I show you how I'm going to make it look like nothing with this next stock. I had a $4,000 today, making 2% of my portfolio, while the stock market was just barely able to squeeze out a profit on the day. This stock I'm about to put you guys onto has made me thousands already. It actually contributed to the $20,000 month I had last month. But I am officially buying it again, and I'm buying it very aggressively, more than ever before. I actually hold more shares now than I ever have because it's just so incredibly undervalued at this price, especially before Christmas, which is their busiest season. Like always, make sure you send this video to family and friends. I always put you on for free, so you might as well do the same for them. And of course, drop me a follow. I post these update videos every day. Let's get right into it, guys. The stock is Nike, which is down 20% on the year already. After it had a huge rebound, this is where I made thousands of dollars, and then I trimmed almost near the top. Like I said, I'm buying again, so let me show you guys how much I expect to make from this stock. Last buy-in was in the very low 50s, but I am now buying in the low 60s. I know I'm paying more for it, which is something I rarely do in my portfolio, but this current opportunity seems too good to pass up. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So the very first thing is the price target being raised all the way up to $83. That is 36%. So that is 3 years worth of the best case S&P 500 performance in 1 year. That's because analysts and hedge funds have gotten increasingly more bullish on it, adding to their positions like never before. Already saw a very big run from this price. I'm sure they're getting in for another one. And not to mention, while we're waiting for it to go up about 40%, we're actually collecting a 3% dividend yield, so that's even more passive income on top of this. They've been crushing their earnings, by the way. The whole shoes industry, basically their entire sector, has been really falling, but they've beaten almost every single earnings expectation in the last 2 years. So from my perspective as a long-term investor, Nike is a screaming buy. Their next EPS looks even better than the previous expectations. If they beat those, it might go up another 10-20% in a day. Remember, I did say that large investors were getting back in. They're actually piling in, increasing their positions by about 60%. But that's not it. All of these major investors are loading up on Nike. These are huge purchases. Some investment firms even buying up as much as 1,000% of their previous stake. Even though this is a massive position for me, I've got $8,000 of this stock. I would like to buy more. It only is 133 shares. And for every 100 shares you own, you can sell covered calls. Right now, I'm selling covered calls for an extra $60 every single week. So I'm definitely going to buy more shares. I would love for this to be a 200 or 300 share position by the end of the year. But you absolutely need to stay diversified in undervalued stocks, just like I do. If you want the full list of 10 stocks I'm buying right now, comment the word trade in the comments below and I'll message you. That way your portfolio can start looking like mine even when the market is red.